Hi everyone, welcome to English with Aga. My name is Agnieszka Murdoch and I'm a CELTA certified English teacher. I am particularly interested in English grammar and that's something I want to help you with in this video. So in this video, we're talking about the difference between would and would have, should and should have, and could and could have. Are you ready? Let's get started. So would and would have are both about hypothetical situations. Would is about the present. If I lived in Paris, I would go to art galleries every weekend. But I don't live in Paris now. In other words, it means if I lived in Paris now, I would go to art galleries every weekend now. But it's a hypothetical situation. I don't live in Paris now. So would is for expressing a hypothetical situation in the present. It's the second conditional. Would have is also about hypothetical situations, but it's about the past. So, if I had been in Paris last weekend, I would have gone to an art gallery. This is about last weekend, so it's about the past. I wasn't in Paris last weekend, so I didn't go to an art gallery. It's about the past, and that's why we need would have, which is the third conditional. The same rules apply to should and should have. Should is about the present. It's about something being a good idea. I should go to the party now. It's a good idea for me to go. I should have gone to the party last night. This is about the past. It's about last night. It was a good idea for me to go last night, but I didn't. So should have is about something that was a good idea in the past, but I didn't do it. And the same rule applies to could and could have. Could and could have are about possibility, and could is about the present and could have is about the past. I could go to the party today. It's about the present. It's possible for me to go to the party. I could go. I could have gone to the party last night. It was a possibility in the past. It's about last night. So could have gone. It was possible for me to go, but I didn't. So to recap, would, should, and could are about the present. I would go to an art gallery if I lived in Paris now. It's a hypothetical situation. I should go to the party today. It's a good idea for me to go to the party today. I could go to the party today. It's a possibility. It's possible for me to go today. Would have, should have, and could have are about the past. If I had been in Paris last weekend, I would have gone to an art gallery, but I wasn't, so I didn't go. I should have gone to the party last night. Should have is something that was a good idea, but I didn't do it. I could have gone to the party last night. It was possible, but I didn't go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.